Is your computer so slow when you have a lot to do? We all know slow computers could be so frustrating and time-consuming. The Tech Mind has got you covered. Let's get started. Press Window key plus R. Enter sysdm.cpl and press Enter or OK. Choose Adjust for best performance and check the boxes like I did. We would appreciate you to pause a sec, like and subscribe to this video. Now press Apply and OK. Now press your Window key and select Settings. Select Personalization. Select Colors and then turn off Transparency Effect as it shares from your computer's resources. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. You can see a whole lot of background applications. We will turn off Google Chrome background application so it doesn't run when you close the browser. Your computer should be faster now. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video with your loved ones. Also leave your comments down in the comments section below or areas you would want the Tech Minders to touch in the next coming video.